ONDUINO, the most reliable and affordable RF test solution ever made for makers. A family of RF test shields with standard form factor calibrated with state-of-the-art RF equipment and share valuable measurables. Arduino compatible. Free and open firmware, enabling community collaboration and easy customization. A free and easy-to-use application software, results-oriented, a unique platform to control all your Arduino shields. The first member of the Arduino family is the bench meter, a digital step attenuator and power meter. It helps you figure out how far your radio signal can reach. Inserted between the transmitter and receiver, it provides more than 95 dB of programmable attenuation without the 25 dB step to simulate free space signal loss over distance and measure receiver sensitivity. In power meter mode, it measures RF signal power up to 22 dBm, modulation-independent across the entire allowed frequency bandwidth. With a simple oscilloscope, it enables high-speed RF signals activities monitoring. Thank you for watching. Until next time, subscribe to the Arduino there. And make sure to follow us on your favorite social media platform. Bye!